GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 10. Soil deposit formed due to transportation by wind is termed as. First option is aeolian deposit, alluvial deposit, estuarine deposit and lacustrine deposit. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data, the formation of a soil goes through three processes. The first is erosion, where there will be a soil deposit somewhere and it gets eroded. Then transportation takes place. Transportation of a soil is done by some kind of agent. The agent may be water, ice, air. Once the transportation is done, the deposition phase happens, and then again it goes back to erosion. So we'll start the process with erosion. The soil gets transported by some agent, which can be river water, ocean water, lake water, ice from glaciers. It can also be air. Then deposition takes place and then again back to erosion. So this is a cyclic process that keeps on happening for the formation of soil. Coming to the solution, as we saw in the transportation stage, there are different kinds of transportation agents. If the transportation agent is river water, the soil is called alluvial. If the transportation agent is wind, it is called aeolian, which essentially comes from the word ao, that means air. If it is sea water, it is called marine. If it is lake water, it is lacustrine. Lacustrine is a general word that is used pertaining to lakes. And for glaciers, obviously we have glacial. So in this question we were asked, if the transportation agent is wind, what is the soil called? So it is called aeolian. So the soil deposit formed due to transportation by wind is termed as aeolian deposit. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.